In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullet points on LinkedIn. Whether you're sprucing up your profile or making your experience section more reader-friendly, bullet points are a fantastic way to organize information. So let's dive in and get your LinkedIn profile looking sharp. First, you'll want to navigate to LinkedIn by going to linkedin.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. It's pretty straightforward, but if you need your password manager or can't remember your login details, take a moment to fetch them before you proceed. After logging in, you'll be on your home feed. Now, direct your attention to the top of the screen and click on your profile icon. This little circle with your face, or your initials if you haven't uploaded a picture, is your gateway to personalizing your LinkedIn profile to show off your professional journey. Next, click on View Profile. Once you're on your profile page, you'll notice how everything is structured into sections such as your summary, experience, and education. For today, let's focus on the experience section. Scroll down until you locate it. You'll see your various roles listed there. Find the specific entry you want to edit. On the right side of this section, there's a pencil icon. Click on it to enter Edit Mode. Once you're in, scroll down to the description section. This is where you'll be able to add your bullet points. To make this process easier and more stylish, you'll need some symbols. Head over to piliapp.com, a useful website where you can grab a variety of special characters, including bullet points or other symbols that catch your eye. This little trick helps maintain a clean and professional look. After you've chosen the symbol you want, simply copy it. Now head back to your LinkedIn description. Click where you want to insert a bullet point, paste it, and then type your text right next to it. Continue to do this for each point you wish to highlight. You'll find it's a simple copy and paste process, but it can make a big difference in readability. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, double check your grammar and ensure everything is polished and professional. If everything is good to go, click Save. This button is crucial because it ensures that all your hard work is not left in limbo. Give it a click and voila, you'll be taken back to your main profile view where you can admire how much more organized and impactful your experience section now looks with the addition of bullet points. And that's it. You've successfully added bullet points to your LinkedIn profile. Thanks for watching, and I hope your profile now stands out with the clarity and detail you've added. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your professional online presence.